Hey guys and girls, so a real quick video, and I know I say that all the time, but this one is a real quick video, and it's a little bit shaky too. But so I was going to do some touch-up paint on my wife's car. She has a 2010 Ford Fusion Sport. It has tuxedo black. As you can see, this is just universal black. I think at the time it was the only thing that was available, and I just wanted to get some protection on some paint chips, etc., etc. So anyways, I bought this probably 2 years ago. I went to go use it yesterday, and the paint was not quite solid, but it was really, stiff, and the brush was real stiff, and nothing was happening. So, real quick fix for this: grab some lacquer thinner. This is a lacquer-based paint. Grab lacquer thinner. Just put a drop or two in there. Mix it up. Let it sit overnight. Maybe add a couple more drops depending on how things are going, because some of that stiffer paint's going to get stuck to the side. So add that in there. I let it sit overnight, and now we're ready to go. The paint is back to what it should be. Yeah, we're ready to go. We're going to get all the paint out of that container, and it's expensive, so it'd be a shame to throw out, maybe a third of the bottle or whatever was in there. So if you guys are having these same issues, grab lacquer thinner. You don't have to grab as big a container. Put a couple drops in there, shake it up, let it sit. You'll be good to go. If you guys liked the video, thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, thumbs down. Tell me why down there. And think about hitting that subscribe button. Until the next video, take her easy, guys and girls.